Hey, how's it going? And today we are taking a quick look at making Fortnite not look like Fortnite. I just have tilted towers up here right now, and I think this is a cool little city. I mean, it's a complete backlot with all kind. It would have taken me, I can't even imagine how long to compile together a city that looked like this. But one of the things is right away you're struck by how cartoonish everything is. Some of that is driven by the brightness of the colors. Things are not usually this colorful in real life. Although they can be, they're not usually. The saturation is making this look more cartoonish and giving it that Fortnite look. So what I wanted to do today was just touch upon the day sequence device and show you how easy it is with just 3 simple settings, how you can make this look 10 times better and a lot less like Fortnite. So we're just going to go into devices here, and this blows my mind how easy this is to do. So we're going to search for the day sequence device here and just drag it into the scene. And there's a lot more we can do to make this look more cinematic and more realistic, but I'll be doing those in other tutorials later. We're only going to change really 3 settings. So the first one is time of day, because the time of day is probably one of the most important aspects of environmental lighting. And you know how they talk about in filmmaking about the golden hour, kind of right at dawn and dusk. That's a really beautiful time to film because the lighting is so diffuse. It's just really nice and warm and has different colors. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to come down here to general and see where it says day-night cycle. We're going to click that. We're going to click fixed time, and then we're going to set the time to 6 o'clock. So we'll just put it at 6. And you notice right away it starts looking better just right off the bat. So that's setting number 1. The second setting that we're going to change is the intensity of the sunlight. So we'll just type intensity here, and you see sunlight here. We'll click there, and you see the sunlight intensity is 10. We're just going to click that and make that a 2. Might make it, let's say, 1.5. A little bit darker. And right away, you're seeing it looks completely different. Look how different everything looks. But what really is going to do this is if we search for the fog. And if we enable the fog here, and now we adjust it from, it's at 0.01 to 1.2. And watch how much of a difference this will make. Look at that. We can hit G to get rid of the gizmos on the scene. Look at this. Remember what it looked like originally? If we leave the sun out of that, this is something completely different. Totally different, isn't it? It went from looking like you were living in cartoon world to all of a sudden now I'm looking out my window in South Los Angeles or something. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you, and I will be doing more tutorials about cinematic lighting and making things look a lot less like Fortnite. So take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.